One of the role in Scrum is development team. They are expected to be generalized specialists where they are skilled enough to pitch in other areas of the work, and they have to be a self-organizing team where they do not wait for command and control but take ownership towards their work as well as pitch in other work whenever necessary. They should take ownership towards the entire project, team ownership, group accountability. It has to be a diverse team where they can bring in different ideas and different perspectives to the project. There should be sustainable pace where there should be consistency in their performance. The team has to be a right size. Generally, it can be between 4 to 9 people in the team. They are expected to be partaking in sprint planning meeting, scrum meeting, sprint review meeting, sprint retrospective meeting, and also support the product owner in grooming the product backlog.